had to wait 2 weeks, but the new mods to the M5 are finally here, and we're picking them up right now. So the front lip, the H-style front lip that we ordered for the M5 a couple weeks ago is finally here. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a sick-ass Alfa Romeo behind us. Always when I start filming, a new sick car comes around. Last video, it was a Toyota Century. Now we got the Alfa behind us. So you know it's gonna be a good day. But yeah, today we are adding to the laundry list of mods that we have for the M5. We've already got the wheels in. The wrap is booked for spring. We're picking up the lip. We're getting the diffuser repainted, and we have side skirt extensions. Everything is just sitting at my house. We're also doing rod bearings, which it's more than overdue. You're supposed to do it like every 60,000 kilometers. I've put on like 100 without doing it, so probably time. But today we're getting the front lip and we're gonna test fit it on the car, at least to see what it's gonna look like. I still already have a front lip on this M5. I have the Hartge style one. Now we're picking up the Hamann style one. Basically the main difference, I'm gonna show you guys later, is the Hamann's a bit more aggressive. It goes flat along the bottom. We're going hard with this new version 2 of the M5 E60, world's first British racing green. That's what we're picking up right now. Let's go. There she goes. That thing looks sick. Oh my God, there's so much traffic. Okay, something exciting is gonna happen. Sounds so good. Just creamed my trousers. We're here. Take a good last look. Not gonna be there much longer. Thanks. Is it? Oh, we're back. We don't want British racing green. We're going with purple. So you know, they could be a little nicer to me, but that's fine. I like it. So that's going right on the front. Right there. Thoughts? I think that's gonna look sick.
Yeah.
We're not gonna paint match it this time. So it's gonna stay black. Car's gonna be BRG. Lift it. So light.
Very nice. Yeah.
Right?
I didn't expect it to be so light.
I know. Your first exclusive look at it. Good stuff. Sounds so good. When our highways have like 12 lanes, and we're still full of traffic. I gotta try and get this thing home. Oh my word. Okay, let's recap. We've got the new front lip, which I'm gonna open for you guys right now. We've got the Apex EC7 wheels right here. We've got the floating BMW center caps for the EC7s. Basically they stay upright when you're driving so they don't spin. It looks super nice. Then we've got the side skirt extensions in the garage. We've got the rear diffuser that's already on the car, but we're repainting it come spring to be black, to match the lip, to match the side skirts. It's gonna go super well when the car gets wrapped, I hope. Some smaller stuff like new seal for the rear window, because the Canadian winters are not kind to the M5 and the rubber is disintegrating. It's getting eaten alive, so it's just flaking off. So we're gonna replace that before the car gets wrapped too. But we have such a laundry list of stuff to go through. I'm excited to get this on. It's super lightweight. I think it's lighter than the one I have now. Again, this, plus our wheels. I'm so excited to get this car out to some meets, meet some of you guys again like we did last year. That was so much fun. It's the first time I really got to connect with you guys. Was at the Berlin Classic Car Meet last year. It was really cool to actually see people who say, oh, you know, I watch your videos, and meeting you guys in person. Really awesome. Excited to do that again this year. And I want to take home best German car, best BMW, best M5, whatever, at some show this year. That's my goal for the car. And so I think these wheels and the British Racing Green wrap and cleaning up the car and all the mods we're going to do in general is going to help us get there. And doing the rod bearings, I actually just booked my appointment for mid-March, is going to ensure that we get there in one piece too. So that's going to be nice. Let's get this lip open. I've been talking enough. This is gonna take up so much room in this office. I know I've showed you guys this a million times, but I have no room left. It's just car parts and inventory for anything. Hopefully, I can get all this installed in the next couple weeks here. Spring is coming, so I want to open this as, oh, it comes with it. Oh, that's what I wanted to avoid. Don't look at that. It's definitely not a speeding ticket I need to pay. Here she is. What could you possibly be stuck on now? Ah. It was tape. Oh. Look at that. So, as you can see, flat down the middle instead of curved. This might need some reshaping, I can already tell when they install this, but that's fine. But this is gonna look super nice. I'm glad it's so lightweight too. We're not getting rid of the other lip. I'm gonna keep it. And so if I wanna switch back one day, it's nice. And there you go, guys. The new aero going on the M5 in the spring. Add it to our list of mods. I'm gonna go put this back in the plastic. Cooking us up some chicken, but while we're waiting, thought I would give you guys a little garage update. It's been a while since you've gotten to see the other cars we've got in the Manjuris family. If you've been watching me for a while, you know we've got, I think we're at 10 right now. And obviously by we, I mean my dad. Building the M5, why I started a car clothing brand, why my ultimate dream is to film content on cars, build cars, just be around them. It's because I grew up around this. So it is winter, so they are literally all covered. I didn't know that until I just opened the garage actually. But to give you guys a quick recap, we got a, I believe it's a 2009 or 2008 Porsche 911. Dark blue metallic, as you can see right there. Love the exhaust on this one. Looks so clean. It's got a beige interior, brown interior, super nice. This is our rocket. Can you guess by the wheels and the silhouette? This one is Dad's Corvette C7. I believe it's the Z06 and he's got the ZR1 package on it, which is nuts. This might be, I think this is my favorite car that my dad has. I got to drive it once, absolutely insane. Do you want me to make a video on this one? And this one over here, looking like it's straight out of the movie Cars. Also covered, of course, is the classic collector's, I believe it's a 76, don't quote me on that, Corvette Collector's Pace Car Edition. This one is a beauty too. Literally looks like an old jet when you're sitting in like the cockpit, it's nuts. Obviously we got the one Porsche SUV, the other one is out right now, it's in the shop I believe. The pickup is gone, and the M5 is on the, it's parked on the street right now. So that puts our car lot back here at Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Macan, Corvette, Porsche 911, pickup, M5. Oh, and Dad's got a BMW 760, the V12. Bigger engine than my V10, it's nuts. So that puts us at 8 cars right now, which is nuts. Always got an eye out for more too. As we add to the collection, some come, some go. That's kind of the way it is. But the 3 in there are definitely here to stay. So as you can see, there's tons in store for the M5 E60. Come next month, it's gonna be nuts. I can't wait. This car is gonna look totally different, unrecognizable come end of March. Gonna be an expensive month, but it's gonna be a fun month. At the same time, working very hard on the Apparel by Enemy store, getting the new drop ready for you guys. We got 2 new hoodies, 2 new tees. The 2 hoodies are designed. The 2 tees I'm still working on. That should be dropping in March as well. Check out the store in my description. You can sign up by email to get first in line for the new drop. Also gives you a little discount, so that's kind of cool. Really excited for that. I showed it last video, but I have one of the sweaters right here. This is one. It says the classic in German, Enemy Automotive Club with the classic M5. Super clean hoodie. This is one of the 2 new hoodies releasing. It's dropping on the white hoodie and on the black hoodie, which is gonna be sick. Then a little teaser for you. We got the Lambo hoodie dropping as well. Back print Lamborghini. That one's gonna be clean. Dropping on a black and a purple hoodie. And then 2 new tees that are not designed yet. Working on those, but you are all updated. So as always, guys, make sure you leave a sub if you want to follow all this progress. Wheels, side skirts, diffuser, front lip, rod bearings. There's so much going on. So make sure you sub, make sure you like, keep up to date with all that stuff. And with that, guys, I will see you in the next video. Love ya. Bye.